Hey everyone, I'm David Finz, and on this episode of the Cyber Insurance Imperative, we're going to take a closer look at one of the most prevalent methods of attack on small businesses, social engineering. As was recently reported by Forbes magazine, Barracuda Networks has issued a study based upon its analysis of emails at thousands of companies in 2021 and found that employees of firms with less than 100 workers were 350% more likely to experience a social engineering attack than employees at larger companies. The perpetrators tend to target senior management at these firms or their executive assistants in the hope of being able to gather more information about the firm and send emails out on behalf of these executives. They accomplish this by means of highly customized emails that appear to come from trusted sources, a technique known as spear phishing. Officials at Barracuda state that 1 in 5 businesses surveyed had at least one of their email accounts compromised in the past year. Now, with these spear phishing attacks becoming so commonplace, it's pretty clear that traditional spam filters, while still necessary, are not enough. Companies need to detect and respond to these attacks once the bad actor is already in the system. They also need to train employees to identify and report suspicious emails and should establish procedures for confirming changes in payment instructions from their business partners, known as out-of-band verification. The challenge is that even though small businesses are more frequent targets for social engineering, they don't always have the resources or the in-house expertise to put these safeguards in place. Now, as a risk advisor, we don't personally deploy these tools and training programs for our clients, but we maintain relationships with a variety of service providers. So if you need a referral to these vendors, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can DM me on LinkedIn or email me at david.finz@alliant.com, and I'll be happy to put you in touch with several firms that you can vet for yourself. Now, please note, this is intended as general information and guidance, and you'll want to consult with a qualified insurance broker about your specific risk management needs. And you should also check your cyber insurance policy to see whether it provides coverage for funds misdirected to a bad actor as a result of social engineering, as well as for its counterpart, invoice manipulation. This is a less common coverage enhancement that reimburses an insured for the funds it loses when a security breach on its network causes a customer to rely on bogus invoices or wire instructions, leaving the insured with a bad receivable on its books when payment is made to the cyber criminal. Bear in mind that these coverages are typically not included in a carrier's base form and will likely need to be added to your policy by endorsement. Making sure that our client's coverage stays current with the evolving threat environment is just one more way that Alliant helps you find the more rewarding way to manage risk. Thanks for watching.